Ingredient: 5-minute strawberry banana ice cream recipe, no dairy and no ice cream machine. Hello everyone, we all love ice cream, right? But we also love flat stomach, and the commercial ice cream is loaded with sugars and unhealthy fats. So if you love ice cream and you don't want to get fat, then you are in the right place. In this video we are going to show you how to make the healthiest ice cream, with just 3 simple ingredients, which you probably already have in your kitchen cabinet. But first, I would like to ask you a simple question. You've probably heard that you can blend together coconut milk with frozen fruit and it would turn out like ice cream. Well yes, and this is so easy. You just have to freeze fruits, add coconut milk, blend them together, and that's it. You got yourself a homemade delicious and super healthy ice cream. Your kids will love it. Note, this ice cream recipe is very simple and easy to make. We've used a Blendtec mini twister jar, which is a small yet high-powered blender. It's pretty powerful, but even then the blender makes slightly scary noises and jumps around a bit. But, you just have to scrape down the sides once or twice in between and not be scared of loud blending noises for a few minutes. This ice cream is healthy and it's loaded with healthy nutrients, and the best thing about this ice cream recipe is that you won't feel guilty after eating it. As we said, this ice cream recipe is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Strawberry banana ice cream. Serves, 2. You will need the following ingredients. 4 strawberries, chopped into small pieces and frozen overnight. 2 bananas, chopped into slices and frozen overnight. 1/2 cup full-fat coconut milk. Directions. Here's what you need to do: just blend together frozen banana slices and coconut milk. Then, you need to stop and scrape down the sides in between. Once incorporated, you should add in the frozen strawberry pieces. After a few minutes, this should be nice and smooth. You can add shredded coconut, berries, or nuts on top. Enjoy your ice cream. You should definitely try this delicious, homemade, and super healthy ice cream. It's packed with healthy nutrients and you won't feel guilty after eating it. We really hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.